Alright, good everyone. I'll be showing you a short tutorial video guiding you on how to import the GLO Unlimited data file into your SSH Custom app. The first thing you have to do is to download the data file sent for you on WhatsApp. After you downloaded it, it will be stored in your WhatsApp folder. So you have to open your SSH Custom app in order to locate that folder and import the file. To locate the folder, another way you see the file, then you have to click on the three dot icon located on the right corner of your screen, which is stated here. Then you tap on it, then you tap on restore, that is restore. Then you tap on external manager, then you tap on these three icon at the left corner of your screen. Then you would see the name of your device displayed on your phone screen, as mine is also displayed here. All you have to do is to simply tap on it. Then it will take you to this location where there are a lot of folders present in your app. So what you are going to do here is that you're going to tap on Android. After you tap on Android, then you tap on media. After you tap on media, then you scroll down and look for the WhatsApp folder present on your phone. As you can see, this is the WhatsApp folder present in my phone. This is the com.whatsapp. That is the one you are going to select. Should in case you are making use of WhatsApp business on your phone, that means you also see a WhatsApp folder, another WhatsApp folder, which will be com.whatsapp.w4b, if I'm not mistaken. Then, but for this tutorial video, we are making use of WhatsApp because that is where the configure file was sent and it was downloaded. So it will be stored in your WhatsApp folder. So you simply go ahead and tap on WhatsApp folder, com.whatsapp. After you tap on it, you also tap on WhatsApp again. After you tap on WhatsApp, then you also tap on media. Then you tap on WhatsApp documents. You will tap on WhatsApp documents. Then that is where you will see the configure file that you have downloaded through WhatsApp. You will see it displayed successfully. All you have to do is to simply tap on the app, you tap on the file, then boom, it has been imported successfully. Then you can go ahead and connect.